उद्धरेद आत्मना आत्मनम न आत्मानम अवसादयेत आत्मैव हि आत्मनो बंधुर आत्मेव रिपुरात्मनः. Hello friends, this is the fifth shlok of the sixth chapter of Bhagavad Gita, and today we will understand this shlok in detail. So let's first go over its meaning. So the shlok says, Uddharet Atmana Atmanam, which means uplift yourself with the mind. Na Atmanam Avsadayet, which means do not depress yourself. Atmeva hi Atmano Bandhur, which means indeed mind is the friend of the self. Atmeva Ripuratmanah, which means the mind also is the enemy of the self. So, in this shlok, Shri Krishna again gets on to the topic of how to discipline your mind, and he says that Arjun, you should use your mind to basically lift yourself instead of using your mind to depress yourself, because mind is the instrument which can be used as a friend and it can also be used as an enemy. So basically what Shri Krishna is emphasizing over here is that we as human beings have been endowed with a very good instrument, which is our mind, and this instrument should be used very wisely, because if it is used wisely then it can act as our biggest friend, while if it is not used wisely, if we are not very careful in terms of how to use it, then it can become our biggest enemy. So our mind actually is just like an instrument. Any instrument that we have, we know that if we use it wisely, it can benefit us, while if you are not careful in using it, then it can harm us. As an example, you can look at an axe. A sharp axe is a very useful tool, and if it is used wisely, then it can help us in clearing the forest and basically use the land for our own benefit. But if we are not careful in using the axe, then it can injure us, or it can be used to kill others also. So it can be used as a weapon also. So that is something which applies to all the instruments, and the best instrument that we have is our mind. So we have to be very careful in terms of how to use our mind. If we use our mind in consuming all the garbage that this external world throws at us, then it will basically become injurious to us. Mind is a very malleable instrument, and we can fashion it in any manner in which we want to use it. Basically, whatever we consume with our mind actually takes the form of that. And so if we focus our mind on the wrong things, then of course our mind will become our enemy, and it will lead to our downfall. On the other hand, if we are careful in using our mind, if we use it only in consuming the good things, then mind becomes a very good instrument which will elevate us and which will take us to higher and higher levels. So Shri Krishna is telling that to Arjun, that use your mind wisely, use it only to raise yourself, not use it to cause depression, because mind is an instrument which is something which can be our biggest friend, but it can also be an instrument which could become our biggest enemy. So I hope that I have explained this shlok well to you. With that, I'll close this video. I'll see you all in the next video. Take care.